Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Dana. Today I had a request, fried pickles. Our branch manager Keaton wanted some fried pickles, so that's what I'm going to get her. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need your air fryer set to 400, and if you can, go ahead and preheat it, which is just turning it on and just letting it warm up with nothing inside. You will need some spray, of course your pickles, and some pickle juice. You're going to need flour and salt, garlic powder and cayenne pepper, and breadcrumbs. Now, I used breadcrumbs for this batch. When I tested it at home, I used panko. To me, I think a panko breadcrumb mixture would probably be the crunch you need and the coverage. So, and then of course, the dipping of your choice. Now the pickles we got were the spear ones. To me, were just a little too big, because you realize the bigger they are, the longer it takes it to cook. So if you just want to, you want to cut them into smaller spears. That way they won't cook as long. I put them on a paper towel to try to soak up most of the juice in them. And so you're going to put, with the flour, it's going to be flour and salt. This is all up to you on your measurements, because it depends on how much you are going to fix. This was a cup of flour with a teaspoon of salt mixed together. And then I had 3 eggs, and it told me to take some of the pickle juice and mix it in. Then you want to put your cayenne pepper and your garlic powder. Now, be careful with the cayenne pepper because it is hot. I learned my lesson. So, unless you like hot, and then, and then, of course, your breadcrumbs. Now, I try to put everything in bags so that way I would not have that much to clean up afterwards. And I would spend more time eating. So, take your pickle, and you want to put it in your flour, and then straight into your egg wash. Then into your breadcrumbs. If you want a really good, nice, thick crunch on it, go ahead and go back into your egg. And of course, go back into it. And see, I did that. That is a one-time in the breadcrumbs. And of course, there's 2 times with a little extra from my fingers. But see how much more it gives you. Go ahead and take this off. Then you want to open up your air fryer and just go ahead and set them in there. You do this in batches. Try not to overcrowd it, because you will not get enough air to make them crispy. Like I said, it's at 400. I put it on for 15 minutes. I check every 5 minutes. The ones that I did do, they were thicker before I cut them. And here they are. See how thick they were? This was a 15-minute cook time. They are crisp, and they are actually pretty good. But Keaton will have to tell you actually how they are, because this is what she wanted. And then after that, you just keep doing it. And I also have another thing is, an idea would be to go ahead and get your pickles out, go ahead and do the whole assembly line, put them in the freezer, and so that way when you're in the mood for fried pickles, you just go in the freezer, get you a couple out of the bag, plop them in there, and you're done. And you don't have to sit there and keep fixing them. Now I do hope y'all all try this, and please let me know how you thought, what you did different, what you do better. Give me some ideas so that way I'll know how to do this. And if there's anything that you would like to have me try, please let us know. Leave a comment. call up here and speak to me. You can speak to Keaton. You can actually speak to anyone who's here. We miss you guys, and we can't wait to be open back up so we get to see y'all. Have a good one. Thanks, guys.